good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. So, after being stuck in for a few days, I thought I'd brave it, and, well, brave's a bit of a harsh word. I'm not scared of a bit of snow in the UK. We don't get much of it, so the whole country's been on turmoil and panic. And I think down east where we are, East Anglia, Thetford area, is the only area that hasn't been heavily affected too much. You go 40 miles up north a little bit, or down south, and they're plastered and covered in snow. So of course everybody has been in panic mode. Anyway, thought I'd make an intro a bit quick. I'm going to go around Lynford Hall Hotel, get a few pictures and try and do a few macros as well if I can. I've got my wide angle with me today as well. Anyway, should catch you guys shortly. I was saying to go around and get a quick video log, and yeah, should be good. See you later. Thought I'd do a quick video for you guys. I'm not tripped up and breaking my neck. Jesus Christ, I've got a gold face, but I'm over in the hall today. Thought I'd come out, see what the weather's like, and everything else. Absolutely bloody gorgeous out here. Check this out for Derby Bridge. Look at that. Not much of a bridge, but it's basically leading. I'm not going to go across it because of the snow and it looks fragile as F, but over in these trees, as explored by Escape the Wild, there's a little hut. It's only a little pumping station sort of thing for the river. Just want to see it over there, look. See? Before I'll come out and take a little mooch around the old grounds and see if I can replicate Mr. Ivor Miller's pictures that he's been doing lately. Banging shots, by the way, pal. Almost like drawings on white backgrounds. Absolutely stunning pictures. I expect no less from him though. So I thought I'd come out and have a go and see if I could pull off the same. Anyway, look at that over there. It looks awesome in their trees. Wait for some guy to come out chasing me with an axe. I should be so lucky. Anyway, catch you guys later. Hello guys, good afternoon or good morning or wherever you are in the world. This is Lee. I'm going to combine this video with my other one which I've just done, an intro on my iPhone 7 Plus. I'm up in the hall. Unfortunately, due to safety reasons and refreshment, obviously because of the snow and the water when it naturally melts, they've shut the gardens. Not necessarily a bad thing because the gardens here are absolutely gorgeous when they're actually tended to. So I'm not going to respect boundaries. And I'm just going to go up here a little bit and just show you a little bit of it covered in snow. Okay, here's the actual gardens. How nice does that look? We have a little bit of wind out today, although it's not bad. There's the hotel with barely any coverage of snow on it whatsoever, which is nice. As we turn around to go into the gardens, we find the actual lake, Lynford Lake over here, completely white. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Been on Instagram a little bit over the last couple of days. I've been seeing some absolutely mind-blowing pictures that people are taking. Ivor Miller is one of them. Check him out on Instagram, Ivor Miller. And it also appears he's been taking pictures of like trees like this, and amongst others, and they've been completely white. It's almost like they're drawn onto a white piece of canvas. Absolutely stunning pictures. As you can hear, I've still got my cough. So I've still got a runny nose and stuff going on since September now. I've had this. It's slowly starting to break up, which is a good thing. But this is amazing. I mean, people pay thousands to go on holiday to see this sort of thing. I mean, we don't get snow like this in the UK. Well, down this part, East Anglia, we don't get it much at all. but this is unbelievable. You could actually, I mean, I'm not going to test it myself, but it looks like a skating rink. You could actually skate on this lake. Look at that. Absolutely froze solid. You can't even see water through it. It's like a big slushy. So pretty. Do you know what? Even during my stupidity, I'm actually tempted to take a few steps down into it. But unfortunately, it looks like Lynford Hall have removed the steps which were here, probably for safety reasons, because all the edge in here is all slowly crumbling away, unfortunately. Anyway, I'm going to cut the video off, get a few stills, and I'll get the video whacked up shortly. So see you guys in a little while. Helps to turn the screen around, doesn't it? Cozy. Hi guys, final part of the video log today. I've took a trip out to Santan, my local place to go to, and it is white. And judging by the tyre tracks here, and a few footprints, I'm one of the very, very few vehicles that's actually come down here and braved it. I don't know why, it's not that thick. There we are. Each of their own, you know, not everybody has got skills behind the wheel. Anyway, I thought I'd bring you down now a quick mooch around here, and it's absolutely fine. As you can see, it's nice and white all the way around me. There's a tiny bit of wind out, and there's a little tiny bit of mist as well. Don't know if you can actually see that on the camera, but there we go. Anyway, just going to turn it around so you can see the river. Anyway, the river's just down by here, as you know from previous vlogs, and anybody that also does come to Santan. I must admit, I love this tree in the snow. This looks awesome. Looks like a little, oh, what's the word for them trees? Bonsai trees? That's what that looks like. Lovely. So scenic around here in the white. Really, really nice. Couple of workers up there where my vehicle is, doing some work, filling in like gravel pits sort of thing to just make the place a little bit more pleasing to the eye. Now here's the river. As you can see, it's nice and free flowing. The contrast here is lovely. The snow proper brings out the blacks. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. I love that. I'll be getting a picture of that shortly. So relaxing and calming along here. Really is. I love it. I thought slipping would be a good idea, I think. Oh, I wish I'd had the camera turned around so you're not going to see me fall. That would be so funny, you'd not have been creasing. Anyway, let's attempt the walkway. Looks a little bit slippery here. A bit icy, but hey. Yeah, it's not too bad. There's the river, nice and free flowing, as usual. It's a little bit too thick for, well, a little bit too deep to freeze up, which is a good thing. Just about hear that little breeze as well. So nice. I love how it's brought the colours out. And blacks are really nice. Just to excuse the shaky footage, I'm hopefully going to be invested in a lens of image stabilisation of it soon, so this should minimise it a little bit. Oh, birds over there. Don't know if I caught that on camera, I really hope I did. Really hope I caught that on camera, that'd be wicked. For the old ornithologists. Look at this, all these broken things around here. Where the snow has just dragged out all the blacks and the contrast and the bright greens and everything. Yes, that is a bit of World War II heritage over there. We'll go take a look over there in a second. Look at that. The contrast is absolutely stunning. Even down to this tree stump here, although there's a bit of metal shrapnel there. Even down to that tree stump. How the snow has just brought that blacks out and the contrast and the green. No, I'm actually spot a mudjack or deer if I'm careful. Anyway, here's a gun mount as documented in my videos before. This is one of about 4 that goes down the river. Looks really nice in the snow as well. Here's the actual mount itself. Anyway, let's turn this around briefly. Hello, you unfortunate people who get to see my face as I go through the wilderness in the snow. Anyway, sorry I haven't put many video logs up recently. I've been so busy with work and stuff. I am planning on doing some vlogs of studio work on the go. A little bit of tutorials and stuff. I've just been working on getting my lighting techniques right and everything else. So I've been completely hammered with work. So please bear with me, there will be more coming soon, a lot more content. I'll put some more still images together from a model shoot I did a few weeks, last Sunday, in fact, a week tomorrow. But it should be pretty good. Anyway, without boring you guys too much, it's now 6 minutes in. There's other videos to combine and stitch with this one, so I shall see you guys soon. Thanks for viewing, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what I do. Thanks.